State officials held their regular closed-door leadership meeting this afternoon discussing priorities for 2026.
22 News State House reporter Olivia Ray has legislators' goals for the new year.
The state's top officials are focused on health care costs and availability going into this holiday season.
Over the weekend, Senate President Karen Spilka told reporters the state's budget is, quote, really in trouble as healthcare costs in the Commonwealth skyrocket. Following Monday's leadership meeting, Spilka said the Senate is looking at ways to address specific shortfalls in the Massachusetts health system, like access to primary care.
Things like primary care, I would suggest that any of you or anybody listening to that have a hard time finding a primary care doctor.
The governor also chimed in on healthcare costs, though she looked at the issue through the lens of federal changes. As the government shutdown ended without a solution for Americans who rely on federal subsidies to pay for their health insurance, the governor called on President Trump for a change.
Donald Trump needs to extend the health care coverage, those premiums, for another 2 years. There was some talk he was going to do that this morning. Now I hear he's backed off.
Voters can expect movement from the legislature to tackle healthcare affordability in the new year, likely not earlier, as lawmakers typically have an extremely slow 6 weeks leading up to January 1st.
Also discussed in the leadership meeting was the sheer quantity of proposed ballot questions, over 40, and whether this indicates an issue in the process of getting a question approved. Working for you from the State House in Boston, I'm Olivia Ray, 22 News.